Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't do this. You do what you do, but don't do this though. Okay? We is all adults out here. And it's sad to see this. Like, this is what it's come to. This is what it's come to. Fingernails, just darker than me. I ain't even. Lord Jesus. Sometimes you just gotta call on a higher power. Like, just let this video reach the right person. And I'm not even joking right now because this is really serious. Like, we laugh and we make jokes and we be thinking it's funny, and it is funny to an extent, but at the same time, just imagine your bird or your husband or your daughter or somebody getting food delivered and you just seen a fingernail like that. I'd be mad as hell. I would be straight heated. I'm mad for the people in that Cracker Barrel order. What was her name? Emily? However many miles away, even though she didn't tip good, bro, she don't deserve that. That's worse than being confronted by a no tipper. Look, guys. Look, guys. At some point, we gotta man up and take responsibility for our actions, bro. We are delivering people food. Look, I talk a lot of crap about the no-tip customers. Let me put this blunt down, because this is serious. I talk a lot of crap about the no-tip customers. And it ain't always their fault every time. Okay? But as dashers, you know what I'm saying? We gotta take some responsibility, bro, because this is crazy, bro. I'm taking responsibility because look, I'm not finna let other content creators or other dashers think you can just be out there and being dirty. I call it as I see it, bro. I'm from the hood, okay? That's dirty, bro. And you don't do that. When you grown and you trying to present yourself to a community or, you know what I'm saying, show some people some things, you don't just be out here like that, man. And I'm not talking about, you ain't got to be the most clean cut, but you definitely don't be running around with sweat stains all in your shirt, flicking cigarette ashes all over the car, camera all recording in 320p. Now you out here fingernails just dirty is the Dickens, and they just front camera like, bruh, you got me messed up. You is not a Doordash driver, bruh. I don't know what you are doing. I don't know what you need a couple dollars for, and it don't got nothing to do with me, but definitely don't be tagging me in no videos like we cool, bruh, because I do not do what you do. If this is what you do, I do not do that, okay? Me and nobody I rock with do that. I guarantee you that, bro. So you can, look, I apologize. I don't want no smoke with nobody. If you rocking like this, you don't care about nothing. If this is how you rocking, you don't care about nothing. You been stopped caring a long time ago. What? You think he care about something? Bro, do you see? You think he cared? He don't care about nothing, okay? He been stopped caring. What? Dangerous individuals is what we dealing with right here. This is dangerous activities because you can endanger somebody's food safety, okay? You promoting dangerous activities. You can't even post this on TikTok. If you tried to post this same ride along, I would flag it. I would say, TikTok, take it down. Do you see his fingernails? Do you see them fingernails? This is dangerous activity. TikTok, you can't allow this. Now, I know YouTube allows some stuff. Hey, I got to let the community know, look, I'm not having it. And we do not rock like this. This is not the representation of the Doordash community on YouTube. I'm gonna let you know that right now. We wash our hands. We practice good hygiene. We don't put food on the damn floor in the hot bag. We sit it in the hot bag on the seat. You know, we have nice containers set up. We don't do what we seen in this video, guys. Straight up. We do not do that. And we is not finna sit here and act like we just saw that happen and nah. So look, we're gonna watch a couple more parts of this disturbing video. But like I said, guys, viewer discretion is advised. Oh my God, this is...
Come on now. It's weird like this. Well, I'm not doing this all day. We go? Excellent. All right. Okay. Direction.
And look, we're not even finna get on the fact that the order says $7 for 9 miles. You know, I give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe he was trying to get in that direction. Still wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it, but I like...
I'm going to show you the mileage.
He just
I'm just gonna use the.
he just straight risked this lady's safety. What? Oh my God! What is going on out here? What is this man doing? He finna get me demonetized. What? I don't even know what I just saw. Is that an elbow? This? Oh my goodness.
Some of them they muted.
This man need a protein shake, like stat. Somebody ship this man a protein shake. One of your partners need to hook you up, my boy, because you out here
Is
bad.
there music on a Cracker Barrel? Didn't even think about that.
You ain't even, you ain't even got to worry about that. The last thing you need to worry about is some music at any place. You don't even need to worry about any type of classical arts or creative thing at all. Okay? You need to just worry about before you leave from doing a whole bunch of things at the house, wash your hands. Just do that before you start working, interacting with anybody in the public, especially when it comes to business and, you know, nutritional hygiene transactions. Just that's the only thing you worry about. Don't worry about Cracker Barrel music. Don't worry about music on your video. Don't even worry about a video. Please. Because this was a straight atrocity I just witnessed. Stop playing with me. And you just posted this 2 hours ago. And you thought I was finna wait. No. I'm right on your head, boy. What's wrong with you? Well, you don't do that.
Usually it's some orchestra. It's usually not real music. Okay. Not mine anyway. Wow, this load. Can you... There's certain areas you just can't move. You gotta fight. Oh, it's green.
Hey, what is going on? Just deliver the order, man. Because at this point, I'm just mad. I'm just mad that this happened today. Look at this, man. Puffing cigarettes the whole time. I know this man, he done went 3 shades of red in the video. This was a 30-minute delivery, guys. So, first and foremost, it's the couple things we can learn from this, all right? And once we get done learning from this absolute atrocity, we're going to address the chat. We're going to answer a couple questions. And maybe if I can get everything set up, we let a couple folks come up here. So, first and foremost, we're going to get rid of Mini Trader. We don't need Mini Trader no more because I got my main video set up. But first and foremost, guys, like, you know, like I said, I know everybody that's in this chat is A1 Day 1 FDA family. Y'all keep yourself together because y'all wouldn't even be here or rocking with me if y'all didn't. We got to make sure that we letting the community know that this is not acceptable and we not having it. And we putting this man on notice. You know, I will not be tagging any individuals in this video because they is not worth FDA time, but they know who they is. They gonna see this, and all they people gonna see this because they watch all my videos and they don't skip none of them ads because they know what's up. And they gotta let this man know, man. Don't ever in your existence make a ride along on YouTube and tag anybody or video and tag anybody. Okay? Don't ever do it again because you didn't wash your nails, bro. Okay? So just don't do it. You didn't wash your nails, you posted the video, you thought you was cool, and you are cool for doing some content, but you nasty for not washing your hands, bro, and I'm not having it. So look, we finna go ahead and get off of this subject, and we finna get his nails off of my screen, because I can't be out here like, we don't rock like that. Hey, shout out to the 57 people we got up in here learning, you know what I'm saying, that we not. And you know what I'm saying? I don't want to say what I really want to say because I'm really not nice. And I say some stuff that'll get me demonetized, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to keep it together because I am getting that YouTube money. I'm going to make money off of his video. He's not even going to make no money. But I can play the whole video and I can put my logos all over it. And now I get all the money off his video because the people know what's up. And shout out to Gig Wars Official because she know what's up. It's not happening. We not having that. You know what I'm saying? And let him know, y'all head over there. Let him know he nasty. We not having it, cause I don't pull no punches. You know what I'm saying? I'm not one of these other content creators. And shout out to all the other content creators, by the way. Shit. Shout out to my peoples. Shout out to Pedro and Hannibal. They know what's up. Gang, in a positive way though. And shout out to all my associates in the gig economy, the people I mess with, but just a little bit, cause I don't know you like that. Y'all cool too. And shout out to all the haters too. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know who y'all is. I would call out a couple names, but y'all too, like I'm gonna take no, I'm not gonna take nobody else's words. Y'all just ain't on my level. Y'all really not. And you know what I'm saying? If y'all mess up like when dumbass kicked the bag, when he kicked the bag, I got on his head. I don't play no games. Stop playing with me. You out there with dirty fingernails? I'm on your head. Stop playing with me. Okay? So do your thing. And the conspiracy theorists too. You show your face, clean yourself up. Or I'm on your head. And I'm not sorry about it either. Yeah, man, we not playing. We not having it. Cray Cray, tell them we not having it. We not having it. Y'all nasty. Okay? That's nasty. And we don't do that. Okay? You gotta get yourself together. Come on back. Try again. Apologize. Now, if you come out with an apology video, you apologize to the customer first. Because she the one who you delivered that nasty food. I ain't gonna say the food was nasty, but your nails was nasty. But you need to apologize to that customer, bro, for real. You need to apologize to Doordash. Tell them you're sorry because you're making this money, even though you're a top dasher and you're doing it backwards. Tell them you're sorry. And then you need to apologize to the community for putting out that video, you know what I'm saying, and then not washing your hands, bro. It's not cool. It don't even take that long to wash your hands. And see, this is what you gotta realize, bro. You can't just be, you can't be fucking up like this, bro. Cause it's 11 o'clock where I'm at, bro. I can get on your head all the way to midnight about them nails, bro. You don't even know. You don't even know. I can get on your head until midnight about them nails, my boy. So stop playing with me. Wash your fingers. Don't you ever do that again in your existence. And just remember, I am the greatest dasher on this planet. Cause you said so, and because I said so. So. But for all y'all other little phonies, bro, I don't play no games, bro. I never did, never will. Life is too short. I'm not finna act like I'm cool and fake. Like, no. I do my thing, and I can be professional. You know, I clean it up. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? My name is Dash and Trader, you know. I make YouTube videos in the Doordash niche. Daily content, you know. I'm very good at interviews. But I don't have to do that no more. You understand? That's what I had to do when I was trying to get a job somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Trying to impress corporate America. So I can get that nice warehouse, act like I'm, you know, clean cut, act like I actually give a damn. You know what I'm saying? I can act like I give a damn. You know? We can hold a podcast. And there's nothing wrong with that. We can clean it up. We can get professional. We can be business casual. We can do all of that. But everybody is not understanding that I am really that nigga for real, okay, as far as what I do. So now that I got my own lane, my own space here on YouTube, I cannot be stopped. And I'm not finna clean it up because I'm going to a job interview, okay? And I'm not finna do what others want me to do. It's not happening. I'm finna do what I want to do. And what I want to do is put this man on blast for having them dirty-ass fingernails and thinking he could be up in my space like he doing something. It's not happening. Get yourself together. Talk about this tomorrow and be mad about that. Because we got 50 folks in here. They know how nasty you is and I ain't having it. So this is how I'm rocking. And this ain't got nothing to do with nobody else. Ain't nobody put me up to this. Ain't nobody sick me on nobody. I just don't like it. And deal with that. And you probably don't care. But guess what? You care about all these people in this chat that know you got some dirty-ass fingernails. I bet you care about that. FDA for president. See, what you got to realize is FDA for president will be nice, but see, they got too many restrictions. Just make me the treasurer. You feel me? Because I'm out here. I'll just make me the treasurer. I'll hold it down. I don't even need to be president. But I appreciate you. I appreciate your nomination, and I never forget you. Who else we got up in here? Hey, Gig Wars Official, thank you so much for renewing that membership. Thank you so much for them super chats. Cray. Y'all got some questions for me? I want to chop it up, man. I ain't ready to get off yet. I just had to put them on blast, man, because what you got to realize is I'm so cold with what I do that not only did I have my precognition to know that I was going to make this live stream and do this, I timed it right after Hannibal and Pedro got done because I didn't want to interrupt what they got going on. I was in there watching that. Come on now, stop playing with me. I'm like, okay, let me hop on, do my thing, because this finna be so fire. I'm about to make a video out of what I just did in the first 20, 30 minutes of this. And this back end is going to be us chopping it up, okay? And what you also got to realize is, like, I'm on the phone at all times. Like, look at this. I just got a text just now. Let's see what's crack-a-lagging. Yes, sir. My people's hitting me up. Look, this is how we do it. You know, we... They be like, oh, they so cocky, they got egos. Yes, I got an ego. You think I'd be right here where I'm at if I didn't have an ego? And I'm proud of it. You know what I'm saying? We control the narrative out here. Y'all don't even, and Another reason why I wanted to do this live stream is I'm trying to run up that YouTube money. Hold on, let me look you up in your eyeball when I tell you this. I'm trying to make that YouTube money.